Hello everyone. I want to show you real live trading I just did. I get in here. This is the ticker today is very active. See here, right here, right? HUSA. Yeah, in the morning traded very much. See the pre-market up and down and do that. I saw the chat room and saying, let me clear this. Clear all the lines. I saw the chat room did 2 trips, made 2 profits. So my eye on this during the day, but it's up and dump over here. So I was scared. If pump it up, will be dumped, and then keep going down. And then I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, then going down. And I did draw the line here. And I see the opportunity. So I was thinking to get in here. Actually, I have another line. Didn't go to that line. I had a line over here. 1, 2. This is the line for that. There's another line. This is another support. Another support right here. See? Here and here and here. We make a line here. See? I have a line over there already. And I was trying to, this one is done while I was trading. Then I was trying to see whether I can go to this line. Didn't this line. You know, there's another line from there to here. So never reach this line. So when it goes up, that's the time I get in. I get the first position 391. Yeah, 391. And then I keep adding 380 something. I did 3,000 shares. Each time has 1,000 shares. And I'm sorry, I shouldn't tell you how many shares I did traded. So one goes up, I see the wall, like 420 is the wall. So I set up when the first time didn't go through 420, and go to 416, 15. You know, like this is the first one. This is the first line. I get in there and down. This one shake me out. I don't want to lose, but I did lose a little bit. And then the second time, I don't want to get out. I see the wall still there. It's now moving. Maybe to go through the wall. I didn't. And I set the price at the wall, 420. Executed. That's the money I made, basically. Then keep grinding down again, then goes up. I was thinking to go back like here or 50, this line, didn't. Or this line, didn't. So I'm thinking maybe a little bit before 3 p.m. another push, and then keep dumping. So I get another 2/3 position, one at a time. I did 2 trades over here, there and there, something like that. Then I'm out. Still squeeze up, squeeze, then go down, go up. I see still going up. I told myself, no, this hour never getting again. This is what I expected, because so many push. Look at that. It's three tops. And this one, try to give you the hope that it will go up again. Another push. That's the sign the market maker want to dump. There you go. Dump the first one and squeeze again, dump again. So this is the end of the trade. That's it. So I don't have money anymore to trade more anymore. So this is it. This is real trade, okay? This is the real trade. Still going on now. Still try to dump. So just to share what's going on with my position here was 223 something. I only made the $80 something, just make little money. But if I didn't go in to catch, the second wave over here, then I will be, losing money. So not that bad, but didn't get this one. I'm so lucky, or I was aware of this stuff. Anyway, hope you guys be careful in the afternoon. Always something that you have to be careful. People, the market maker pump, never go through that, the top, then go back, still grinding. It's getting ready. 1, 2, 3. Done. So, okay, guys. I hope you guys learned something today. And if you like it, please give me the, click the like button. And I really appreciate it. I need more viewers and more likes, more subscribers. I need more. Okay. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Hope you can make money, learn the lesson, punk,